Hi Scorpions, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your forecast for January 2021. Before we dive into this video, I would like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy new year. May untold blessings come into your life this year. Scorpions, I'm also grateful for your support in this journey. Please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends and acquaintances. Always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use a Love Oracle deck. Possibly I'll use other decks as well. Archangel Raphael is the deck which I am being called upon to use this month. Towards the final days of December 2020, before you stepped into January 2021, we have the Eight of Wands. This period was marked by enhanced communication for Scorpions. Possibly there were gains. Maybe some of you may also have been traveling, or there was travel plans that you had made. Nonetheless, you were also perturbed because you felt that somebody was trying to malign you. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Knight of Wands. Certainly, excess communication is going to be there. It is the energy of the Eight of Wands which you are carrying into this month. So that could be a challenge. Maybe you'll be a bit distracted because the communication increases and it eats into your work hours. Possibly, Scorpions, I think you should take the assistance of other people around you to help you get by. Scorpions, you'll also be in an adventurous mood. You have to adapt to the changes that are there in store for you this month. Basically, a flexible attitude will help you gain rewards, or it helps you achieve your ends. Influences for the month, we have the Empress card. Certainly, Scorpions, you're going to be noticed by people around you. You have a magnetic personality, and this month it's that you're radiating that charm and elegance. You're also somebody who's quite nurturing this month. Possibly you're going to be embodying those qualities. You will definitely form new friendships, or there'll be new acquaintances this month, but avoid arguments with close family members. Maybe there could be silly quarrels, and later you will realize that they were all inconsequential. Sometimes you feel that you need to assert yourself, or you need to put your foot down, because you are being taken for granted. By the way, Scorpions, you'll also have to be on your guard because you think that the family's adversaries or rivals are out to harm your family. For some Scorpions, I'm also picking up that estranged people could re-enter your life this month. Work-wise, I think there'll be work offers, but then maybe for something which you've never attempted, so that could make you a bit tentative or apprehensive, but then I think you should take your chance and move forward. The first 10 days of January 2021, we have the Death card. It's going to be a transitional period. Stagnation is there, but then you have to move forward, or you have to make the progress. You cannot sit on your haunches. You have to sail with the changes rather than create fiction, because fiction makes it all the more difficult for you to progress. Sometimes at work also you may have to settle for less than you have expected. Maybe your client could want you to make allowances for him, but then try not to complain, because something is better than nothing. Many a times, Scorpions, you may also find yourself attending to pressing matters, but you should take heart from the fact that your tasks are being done one after the other, or they are being done pronto. Those who are at the helm of affairs, or those who are in the leadership position, I think appreciation is quite likely. Your juniors will also be pleased because you give them the freedom. In case there's an issue that is bothering you, or you need to speak to your management or administrator, then I think it's the best time to do so, because your grievances will be listened to and there'll be solutions for the problems that you're facing. Between 11th to 20th January, we have the Ten of Pentacles. So this is a time to capitalize. You need to promote yourself, tap into your contacts, and make gains. The opportunity will never come again. So ideally, Scorpions, you should strike when the iron is hot. Interestingly, in this period also, you should be careful or transparent with respect to your financial dealings. Maybe there could be disagreements within the family or within the workplace on account of your finances. This is also the period when you want to improve the home or you want to make changes on the home front. Maybe you want to rearrange the furniture. You'll also have other gifts, or maybe somebody could give you some perks or presents as well, which could come your way in this period. Towards the final days of January for Scorpions, we have the Knight of Cups. Avoid unnecessary arguments or don't jump to conclusions, or maybe you're going to be making those assumptions which are all futile. This is going to be an emotional and tense period for you, so you should guard against your fluctuating moods. Possibly, I think Scorpions, you should do some spiritual practice, because spiritual practice will help you evolve. Sometimes you may also feel that you're being accused of being self-centered, but that is not the case, as you're someone who always has the best interests of everybody around you. Some days you'll also be quite overworked, so this could make matters worse for you. You find that your colleagues or your co-workers are always complaining instead of going about the task, so this could unnerve you a bit. Interestingly, I'm also picking up, Scorpions, that somebody could come into your life wanting to solve problems or solve issues, but then the issue may not be resolved. I think at work also you'll get appreciation because you're someone who works quickly, who has a plan, or you work according to a plan and you carry on with the task. You don't waste time. Basically, you use your intelligence and that will not go unnoticed. While dealing with clients, I think, Scorpions, you should be careful because maybe your client wants to extract more than his pound of flesh. Or maybe he wants you to make allowances with respect to payments or with respect to the deals that are inked. So this is why you may feel as though you're being fleeced or that somebody is milking you. I think this is also the time, or this month is also the time when you should promote yourself on the social media. With respect to your love life, we have the card Ascending. So certainly, Scorpions, your love life is ascending to a higher plane, or maybe you both or in case you're in a love connection, then you may realize that your partner and you are evolving spiritually as well. This month you will be preoccupied with thoughts of your love, no doubt. Those who are single, I think you could find your loved ones playing Cupid. I think someone who's in love with you could also keep aside his ego and renew his offer of love in a circuitous manner, but then maybe you're going to leave him heartbroken. Because we have the Knight of Cups here, so I think somebody is coming into your life wanting to offer you or be the knight in shining armor. It is flattering, no doubt, to get the attention of the opposite sex, but then you also feel that it's no point stringing anyone along. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be possibility of a work-related romance, someone whom you meet on account of work or may want to stay connected, but then you may be confused, so you may decide to put an end to it. Romancing Scorpions, I think sometimes you may feel that your lover is undemonstrative or he is not forthcoming with his feelings. Sometimes he is quite open, but otherwise he could retreat into a shell. These are confusing signals, no doubt. Also, I'm also picking up right now that you should be careful on the social media with respect to members of the opposite sex. Possibly there are lecherous men out there. Married Scorpions, you may find yourself being blamed for no rhyme or reason. Sometimes you could also be emotional because your in-laws could pick on you. You know that they aren't too happy with you. This could leave you a bit forlorn. Interestingly, I think it's your spouse who will come to the rescue when you need his assistance or when you need his help. Some Scorpions, I think you'll also be concerned about the health of your child or maybe a loved one. Take some other cards as well. So we have this card, Energy Alignment, Names. Right now we had Ascending with respect to your love life. Another card we have, but this is a general card. So maybe you are very aligned. Your energy is aligned with everything around you. For some of you, I'm also picking up that names could matter to you, or There are certain names which could evoke certain memories in you. Try not to be emotional or detached or depressed this month, Scorpions. From Archangel Raphael, I have the card Do More Research. You need more information with respect to a health matter or a health issue, maybe yours or even a loved one's health issue. So you need to do more research. For some of you, I'm also picking up that maybe you should look up onto alternative healing methods. Scorpions, you have the ability to be a medical personnel because you have that gift of understanding about health issues. Maybe you're also a person who's always experimenting when it comes to remedies. So do more research before you do that, or before you go ahead and find a treatment for something. You could also be someone who does home remedies a lot, so you should continue doing that and continue to research so you could help others as well with your healing gifts. I hope, Scorpions, you liked your reading. This is Char with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.